If you want to add up and down arrows like this, or if you want to add up and down arrows with percentage signs, or if you want to add some fun to your statements like this, or maybe if you want a tick mark and a cross, today I have this and many more functions. Let's dive straight into the examples and see how all these functions work. Well, without further ado, let's move on to the examples. But before that, this tutorial has two parts. If you want to access the second part, you may click the link above, or you may find the link down below in the comment section and the description box. So now let's proceed towards the examples. Today we will see through 6 different scenarios that how we can have up and down arrows. We have a simple commodity table with a date, price, open, high, low, volume and price change percentage, and on the basis of price change percentage, this column G, we will be having up and down arrows displayed. In first scenario, we will be using Wingding 3 font to determine our up and down arrows. For that, we will use if statement. We type is equal to if, we select if, then we select cell number G and we say that if it is greater than 0%, then we want in return P. In case if it is not true, then we want Q, and we close the bracket. So we can see that it is greater than 0.54, so we have P if it is greater than 0, and it will be Q when it is going to be lesser than 0. So we can see over here that it is Q when it is minus 2.31%. We copy and paste it down, and now we are going to apply the Wingding 3 font. We go in the Home tab, we write Wingdings, and it's third. We press enter. Now we have up and down arrows. But what if we want to see up arrows in green color and the arrows that are lesser than 0, that is downward arrows, in red? How we can do that? We're going to select the cell by pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow key. Then we go in the Home tab, we go in Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rule, greater than, we write P over here, and we select the custom format and we make it red and we make it OK, and again OK. Now we have red for the downward trend and black for the upward trend. And what if we want to make the black also green? Again, we go in the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rule, less than, this time Q, previously it was P, and now we will be having custom red format, custom format, and there we select green, OK, and OK. Now we can see that for upward trends we have green color upward arrows, and for the negative trend we have red color downward arrows. Let's see, we can perform the same thing using the sign function. We press equal to, we write sign, we select it from here, we go in the cell, we close the bracket, press enter, and we copy and paste it down. Now we select it again, we go in the Home tab, we go to the Conditional Formatting, we go in the icon set and we go for this and we press it and we get our desired results. Now how we can finish all these ones and minus ones? So we can just right click on the mouse, we go in the format cell, then we go in the custom, then we type 2 semicolons, we press OK, and here it is. So it makes it clean. Now in third scenario, we will see through formatting cells that how we can have up and down arrows. For that, we will be having all the data over here. Just copy and paste it down. And now we right click, format cells, custom format. Now we want up and down arrows. So for that, we will say that we want color. These are square brackets, color 10 is green, and then we put a semicolon, and then again we open the bracket, we write red, we close square brackets, and we press OK, but we don't get anything. Why is that so? Because we don't have the symbols yet. For that, we will go in the Insert tab, we will go in the Symbols, we have selected Arial font and Geometric Shapes, and this gives us up and down arrows. So we select up, we insert it, we select down, we insert it, we close it, and we press enter and we have our up and down arrows. We go inside the cell, we copy it, Control plus C, and then we select the cells that we applied formatting to. We right click it, we go in the format cell, and now we want to add upward and downward symbols. We Control plus V it for pasting it, and anything before the semicolon is a positive figure and anything after it is the negative figure. So we write an upward trend. We have given color over here. We give an upward trend, and we have a downward trend after the semicolon, which is for the negative figure. And now we press OK, and we see that we have all the upwards and downward arrows coming up. That's all for today. If you want to access the remaining 3 scenarios, you may click the I button above, or you may find the link down below in the comment section. And if you've liked the content, then show your love and appreciation through like and subscription. And that's all for today. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.